got hammocks, Mom. They got hammocks.
Life jacket, please change your clothes for the activity and your personal belongings put in my Caribbean locker, put in here please.
Life jacket.
Vamos a evitar uso de bloqueador, amigo. Chicos, no, gracias, disculpen, nada de bloqueador, nada de bronceador, chicos, por favor, don't use sunblock. My name is Martin, we will your snorkel guide today. El nombre del capitán es Oscar, conózcalo, capitán name is Oscar.
Buenas tardes chicos, bienvenidos, mucho gusto. Welcome, nice to meet you.
Sí, ¿vamos bien? Riesgo de sabores, aguas purificadas, una cerveza para cada adulto, tequila por si gustan y el equipo completo de snorkel, chaleco, tubo y máscara. ¿De acuerdo? El chaleco es su
Recuerden chicos, siempre de frente al bote, nunca atrás.
Oh, sorry.
It's up there. Only my daughter, look. You want to get it for her, Jim? You okay?
¿Alguien más quiere tequila? Hey.
Strong? Cozumel. We're at Playa Palancar. It has the most beautiful reef in the world, it said. which I probably won't see because I can't swim, so I won't snorkel. But it's a beautiful beach. To catch the ferry. Got my mango dragon fruit lemonade from Starbucks. Back in Playa del Carmen. How are you?
Close here. Take the picture here.
For your mixed drinks. This is your añejo. These are aged 4 years. These are your extra añejos are aged 7 years.
You're not taking no shot with us?
Right. That's straight. Y'all gonna take a straight shot of that. If you guys get drunk, y'all don't buy nothing, y'all can just give me it. Which is French oak barrel. It's whiskey. You like it, though. It's good.
What kind of shot is that?
It's a good. It's an expensive one, but it's good. It's good. You won't like that. It's añejo. Añejo is always expensive. You know, like 2 bucks save. The darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. The tequila, the darker, the more expensive it is. The more quality, the more work that's been put into the tequila. That's what makes it get to this very smoky though.
I want to record this, so make sure y'all stand together, stand closer, Jude.
Let him see the bottle.
Oh yeah, let me see the bottle real
On
quick.
YouTube,
Yeah.
so.
This is on, yeah.
And what's
Pass
your
me
name
that
again? What's your
tomala.
name?
My name is CJ.
CJ.
Tequila. I'm right here in Tequila, Mexico. 4th Street, right by Hard Rock Cafe.
Perfect.
Anything you need, I got there. This bottle right here, guys, is 19,325 pesos, $1,000 bottle.
Wow. That, he giving you a...
I'm doing the shot here. I'm doing the
Oh,
shot.
I'm about to say. Alrighty.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud.
Cheers.
You want to try?
He's letting you try $1,000 bottle.
I'm letting you try. That's 96. That's 96 proof.
$1,000 bottle.
Palate.
Why is that $1,000?
It's 96 proven because the agave, it takes a long time for it to get to its full potential.
gotta go back.
Which is 8 to 10 years old, man.
Wow.
So it's a long time. So very expensive. Out of that bottle, there's only 300 made, and this is bottle number 7.
That's so cool.
They're hand signature bottles like this. This will be like your expensive wine or expensive whiskey.
That's cool.
This.
Thank you so much. You're so nice.
You guys,
Thank you so much.
you guys ready? You guys come back and see me, man.
Yes.
No, definitely.
Thank you.
Buenas noches.
You are kind of drunk.
You guys have seen it because I could have sworn I put it on a gel.
Those are those shots.